Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we are going to present our final year project 2 titled Cybersecurity Threat Through Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning or HVAC. So my name is Hamad Adib Zakaria and my partner is Wan Muhammad Imran Hakimi bin Wan Muhammad Sabri. And our supervisor is Dr. Zulkifli bin Muhammad Yusuf. Okay, so for the introduction, HVAC stands for Heating, Ventilation, Air Conditioning, where the system is used to control the temperature of the room through heating and cooling. It also controls the humidity of the room by controlling the airflow of the room, and the system can be remotely monitored by the HVAC company itself. The system is widely used in many organizations, company, and personnel to control the environment of the building. So, our research is mainly about on how the attacker can exploit the vulnerabilities in the HVAC system to send the malicious command to the infected computer in the isolated network. So the problem statement of our research is on the attacker can breach into isolated network and manipulate the data in the system by exploiting the weakness in the HVAC system itself. So our objective for conducting this research is to create an awareness on the possibilities for the data breach through thermal exploitation. So next, we are going to show that the data can be transferred or converted from the HVAC to the target host through our simulation that we are going to simulate. And last, we are going to simulate an indicator that will trigger or show the data alteration. So this is the real case scenario of the attack. So the attacker will first plant the malware inside the target computer, and the computer can be without the connection of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The attacker will use any possible way to plant the malware, as example by social engineering, phishing, and insider. Then the attacker will hack the control and command of the HVAC system, and then by using the internet, the attacker will send the command to the central AC management unit. From the AC management unit, the attacker will choose the nearest ACN unit from the computer or the targeted host. The attacker then will alter the temperature of the room, and the thermal sensor in the PC will detect the fluctuation of the temperature and convert it into binary by using the malware planted as the interpreter. So here is a few articles of our literature review. The first article explained on several types of malware that used to install in the computer to manipulate the data in the system. The second one is the attack on the air gap system by using the electromagnetic signals. And the last one is the attack into the air gap system that use thermal manipulation. So this is our methodology or the flow of our simulation design. First, we will increase the temperature of the thermal sensor by using hot air gun until it reach the desired temperature. Then the system or Arduino will convert the temperature reading into the binary, which is 0 or 1. Next, the code of the Arduino will interpret the binary into the specific command that had been programmed in the PC, and last, the command will determine what action that will be taken. This is flowchart for the simulation design. As you can see, the binary command for the program to light up the LED is 101. However, in real life situation, the command or the binary used may not be as simple as this. The binary may be very long to execute an action, and the time taken for the attack to be launched also very long. It may take weeks or months, as the alteration of the temperature of a room or block is not very easy, as it takes a large amount of space. So this is the full setup of our simulation design. For this part, my partner will explain it later. So this is the interface of the program where it will show the real-time temperature of the room that being detected by the sensor. Next to the temperature is the binary conversion for each of the temperature. As in the flowchart, the condition for the light bulb to turn on is when the binary is 101. So in this sample output, there will be two times where the LED will turn on, which is here and here.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, for the simulation part, we are using the Arduino Uno. This like a computer, which is connected to the breadboard. So for the Arduino Uno, this is the USB cable. The LED is to indicate when the attack is successfully launched. It is connected by the jumper to the breadboard. This is the breadboard. And the breadboard which is connected with temperature sensor. So the temperature sensor is to read the current temperature. Using specific coding, it can convert the current temperature into command. So for the simulation, this is actually like a computer because it can store data into it and it can run data depends on the coding uploaded. We are using Arduino Uno because it acts like a computer. So this is to simulate the infected computer infected with malware, to show that the infected computer can trigger an attack. So by using LED, it can trigger that the attack has been successfully launched. So to simulate the attack, the first thing we need to do is to upload the data or the malware into this Arduino Uno, or we can say that it's infected host. So we need to connect to a computer. So after the Arduino connected, so we launch the driver for the Arduino, which is Arduino IDE. So this is the, as you can see in the second screen, we already copy and paste the code that we created before. Input variable to store the temperature. This temperature will be converted into binary digits and then stored into array or 500 data. If the temperature is above the peak, it will mark as 1, or it will convert the data into 1 and then start the array. If less than the peak, it will convert into 0 or binary digit. So if the command is 101, it will trigger the LED and cause the LED to light up. So the gap between the data taken is 10 seconds. So we will try to simulate the attack by trigger this LED. See, the command actually trigger the LED that indicates the attack has been successfully launched. This shows that the attack could happen using the HVAC system, as HVAC system is designed to alternate the temperature according to the desired condition. So